Here we go. Let's split it first. Okay, it's split. Now let's go get the data, dog. 6 hour in sample, out of sample, copy path. Coinbase data, close that. 2x. Let's try this one here. The 1 hour is trash. Most of this is going to be trash. Remember that. Okay, so this one looks like it. We'll see. This one's profitable. 2.61 expectancy. Okay, that's in sample, 6 hours. 72 days. Okay, 296 trades. The 6 hour data. Sharp ratio, trash. Sortino, though, 3.13. Remember, Sharp penalizes for the upside and downside. Exposure time, 86. Return, 37,000 versus 8,600. 8,600. Okay, so that looks pretty good on the 6 hour, but let's go ahead and try the 6 hour out of sample. That's actually right, dude. Good job. Good job, dude. Okay, so here we go. Worst trade, best trade. You can see this is profitable in sample and out of sample. There we go. Sharp is still low. The return is 161 versus 216. So not better here in the last few years. Interesting. I should have written those down. I can run them again. I'm really curious about actually the optimization of this one. But you don't want to optimize on the out of sample. Okay, so 6 hour looks decent. Decent. It's a little too high exposure time in my liking, but 6 hour OS. 6 hour IS. So let's flop that back. Okay, you can see this one was profitable, 37,000 versus whatever it was. Okay, so sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I kind of want to get an optimization going for this 6 hour one, so I'm going to do that. Copy path. I'm just curious, you know? I'm just a curious cat. Because I'm using really random, and this is good that I use random, but constants. I don't want to over optimize, but I just put like random constants in there, like take profits and stop losses. So let's go ahead and say Python. Run that. Oh, I'm gonna have to conda activate Tflow, bro. There we go. So let's let it optimize here. I'll put it down here on the screen. And we'll come back to that. So currently optimizing the 6 hour. Wait a minute though. Wait a minute. 10 to 30, 10 to 40, take profit. Nah, this ain't it. This is 2. Because we noticed that the lower take profits do better. So lower take profits and stop losses here. We got 9:16 a.m. 9:16 a.m. Let's flip this to a more fun chart, maybe the 5 minute, so we can watch this open here in, I don't know, 14 minutes. Yeah. QQQ, Tesla, QQQ, down a bit, NVIDIA, BTC, Ethereum. Okay, you've seen everything. Let's go ahead here and say, let's see what she said here to this response. If number 1 looks good. Quick out of sample split code sketch. Okay, we already did that. Your OOS flop equals early warning that the edge you saw was probably SMA curve fitting alpha. Don't throw the idea away yet, but switch from searching for the perfect numbers to proving the concept can survive rough handling. Below is the logical next move and how to run it. Stress the parameters before anything else. Why? When you optimize 4 knobs at once, a single lucky combination can beat out a sample even if the underlying logic is okay. Here's what to do next. Step 1A, build a dense grid around the IS champion. Plus 10 bars. Produce a heat map of sharp on the IS. Run every grid point on the same OOS slice you already used. Run every grid point on the same OOS slice you already used. Okay, so send me the code for the full code for 1A and then 1B as well so I can test both of those. Here's a single drop-in script that runs both robustness steps. Okay. Step 1A, dense parameters sweep on your in-sample data and a sharp ratio heat map. Okay. Step 1B, the identical grid of your out-of-sample data with another heat map so you can eyeball whether the edge survives. Just copy paste into robust SMA plateau. Adjust the 2 file paths if needed and run. Robust SMA plateau, parameter robustness test.
Make a choice, right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide. And then from that point, the universe is going to get out your way. It's like it's water. It wants to move and go around stuff, you know.
Produces 2 PNG heat maps. Okay, so we got the path for the end sample and the OS. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and try to run this. I'm gonna call this 2x MA reversal robust SMA. All right, let's run this and see what the error is. Cause you knew there was gonna be an error. Copy path. Bug, please fix. Thinking.